Hello student, this is your continuation part of your chapter number 1, our family. Here is our next topic, adoption and foster parents. The members of a family can be related to each other either by birth, marriage, or adoption. Family members kudimak amaga mari lainarakpa yai. Kamdauna amana pokpada ama, luhongakpada ama, aduga adoption tauraba matungda. Haibadi family members kudimak amaga loinamak mari lainarakpa yai. Karam kanda yage haiba matamda amana poklakpada ama, amana luhongakpada ama, aduga amana adoption da ama. I hope you all come across the term birth, marriage. Now let's explain adoption. Let's study what is adoption is. Look here. Adoption is a process by which people became legal parents of a child who was not born to them. That means when a people became legal parents of a child who was not born to them, it is a process of adoption. Adoption haibadi karino haiba matamda kanagomba miyoi amana makoina pokchabadi nattaba angang amabu court ki ayaba yauraga makoina yokhibado madugi process tubu adoption haidana kawe. Ai amuka haige adoption haibadi kanagomba miyoi amana makoina pokchaba angang di nattaba aduga court ki ayaba yauraga makoina poktaba angang dubu makoina mama mapa sakna akoina yokjarage haidana court ki ayaba yauraga yokpado adubu adoption haidana kawe. Yarani ko, I hope you all understood what adoption is. When a couple adopts a child, the child becomes a members of the family. Ngasaigi couple duna angang ama yokrakanda ngasaigi angang do couple dugi family gi members ne boys. I repeat, when a couple adopts a child, the child becomes a member of their family. Couple amana angang ama hek adopt tawkragadi ngasaigi angang do couple dugi family dugi member haidana haigadwene. Adopted children get all the love and care they need from the family. Ngasaigi adopt tawgraba court ki ayaba yauraga yokraba angang do ngasaigi particular family dudagi darkar taba love and care chap manana phanganeba. Kyantarani ko aduna ngasaigi parents tuna poktaba angang dubu court ki ayaba yauraga makoina macha sagna hek yokhibadagidi ngasaigi angang do hojigi particular parents tugi makoigi family member oina angang do dum lograni aduga ngasaigi angang duna darkar taba love and care kudimak hojiki particular family dugi angang duda loinamak phanganiba. Yarani ko. Then next, there are many reasons for a couple to adopt a child. Miyoiba jingsina adoption haidana tawribase masi tawbagi maram khara layeba. Madugi maram mayamdugi manungda aikoina maram ani khaktang discuss tawrasi ko. Number 1 the couples who cannot give birth to a child adopt one. Saigi couples anina makoina physical problem laibadagi natraga any makoida health problem laibadagi makoina angang pokpa ngamdaba matamda adoption haibase tawganiba. I repeat amuka haige couples who cannot give birth to a child adopt one. Karigumba particular couple amana makoida health problem laibadagi natraga any masada problem ama laibadagi angang pokpa ngamdaba matamda the couple adopt child angang adopt tawganiba. Yarani ko Then next point, sometimes there are natural disasters and children are left without parents. When there is any natural disasters like earthquake, flood, drought, whatever natural disaster happens, sometimes the children are left without parents. And some people adopt such children. Haibadi, any accident natraga natural disaster thokraba matungda angangsingse mama mapa yaudana. That means mama mapa sikraga angang khaktangda leihauba adum yawi. Adugumba matamda angangsingdo mathanda leirabanina makoibu yengsanminaba mi leitabanina kanagumba miyoi kharana hojikki hairib angangsingdo adopt tawgibagi chance yamna lei haba. Yarani ko. Aduna there are many reasons for a couple to adopt a child. Point number 1 is couples who cannot give birth to a child adopt one. Any problem, health problem laibadagi angang pokpa ngamdaba couplesingna angang adoption haibase tawi. The next point any natural disaster thokraba matungda angangsingse they are left without parents. Such children were adopted by many people. Aduna angang adoption tawba haibase masigi maramse hojiki hairiba point anisina oigadawribani. Yarani ko. And there are many reasons also, but forget about that. For now, we have to focus only these 2 points. Then next, some people help in bringing of a child for a few months or years. They do not adopt the child legally. Such people are called foster parents. So look here. There are many people who did not adopt child, but they look after their child for few months or few years. They are called foster parents. Haibadi kanagumba couples natraga miyoi kharana angangse makoina court kaya yauraga adoption tawbadi nataba adubu makoina tha kharagi natraga chahi kharagi. That means particular children duna class 10 pass tawdringai natraga 12 pass tawdringai natraga mahangna graduation pass tawdringai natraga master pass tawdringai, whatever, any some few months natraga few years natraga any some degree ama mahakna loisandringai mahakna clear oidringai gidi sige angangse aigi mideng makhada thammani kaina haiba. But lifetime gi oina angangse mahaki macha sangna yuani haibadi nattaba. For a particular time being matam khara tha kharagi natraga sahi khara khaktangi yengsallaga leiba pura puri angangsibu makoina yoage icha sangna yoage haibadi nattaba. Adugumba parents makhaldubu for the time being angang dubu look after tawraga leibiba. Full oina angang dugi parents oina loge haibadi nattaba. Adugumba parents makhaldubu matam khara khaktangi yengsanba parents makhaldubu kari kauge haiba matamda foster parents. Yarani ko. Aduna foster parents ka adoption ga khenai ko ani se manade. Adoption haibana angang sigi mama mapa sakna angang sina hayengwai magi lifetime oina mama mapa sakna aiko igi icha sakna logjarage haidana yokbagi process tuna adoption. Aduga foster parents habasina lifetime gi nataba for the time being for a few months or few years khaktangda angang dubu yengsan bibaduna foster parents. I hope you all understood up to this. So now let's come to our conclusion parts. It is just a revisions for what we have learned earlier. Read and reflect. A family tree helps us to understand the relationships between different members of a family. Family tree habasina ngasai family gi members mayam ama different members family gi different members mayam jingdugi relationship to aikoi da munna khangan ba matamda family tree habasina mating pangi haba. Then next, when your mother was of your age, she lived with a different set of relatives. Nakhoi mother mayamjingduna mother oirꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ child ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ relatives ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ relatives ꯑꯃꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ time, ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ childhood life ꯇꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ spend ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ relatives ꯅꯠꯇꯕ. Apart from relatives what she have right now, she have different set of relatives in her childhood. Then next, a baby grows inside the mother's body. When the baby grows too big for the mother's body, it is ready to take birth. Angangse mother's ki body da grow tawrakadoini. Aduga ngasai angangsina grow tawrakpa matamda mother's ki body sina handle tawba ngambagi changdagi hena angangsina grow tawragadi, the baby is obviously ready to take birth. The next point, like human beings, animals also give birth to their young ones. Akoi miyoibadawna animal mayamjingsu they give birth to their young ones. Some animals lay eggs and the young ones hatch out of them. Aduga animal khara amana marum oina koi, marum koaga ngasai gi marum dudagi macha kolaga macha onba haibagi process to adumaina tawba animal makhalsu lay haiba. Apart from giving birth, some animals lay eggs and young one hatch out of them. Macha koaga sangomna feeding tawba animal makhaldu nataba. Marum koaga marum dudaiduda mapiduna famjalaga marum koalaga macha onbagi process to adubaina tawba jiba makhalsu lay haiba. The next point, adoption is a process by which people become legal parents of a child who was not born to them. Adoption haibadi karino haiba matamda kanagumba couple anina makoina pokchaba angangdi nataba makoina poktaba angangdubu court kaya yauraga parents sakna yokpagi process tubu adoption haidana kawi ko yarani. The next point da foster parents helps in bringing up a child for a few months or years. Foster parents haibasina hojiki angangdubu mapunsi chuppagi oina makoina parents mama mapa sakna yokpadi nataba hojiki angangdubu for the time being, for a few months or years they look after their child but not of their lifetime. Hojiki angangdugi magi mapunsi chuppagi parents oina yokpadi nataba matam kharagi damakta for a few months or years angangdubu makoina yengsillaga leiba angangdugi mama mapa sakna lifetime gi oina loksanbadi nataba aduguma makhalgi parents tubuna foster parents haidana kawi. With this we've completed our chapter number 1. I hope you all understood what we have completed so far or what we have learned so far. The remaining chapters will explain in upcoming videos.